In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export saved passwords on Brave browser. By the end of this video, you'll have a single file containing all the passwords Brave has saved, exported to a location you choose on your computer. First, open Brave browser. Make sure you're on the main window so we can get to the settings quickly. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Brave's settings. Now, in the left sidebar, go to Autofill, then click Passwords. This takes you to the page where Brave manages your saved logins. On this page, click Saved Passwords to view the full list. You should see your saved websites, usernames, and masked passwords. From here, look for the Saved Passwords section header. To the right of it, click the 3 dots icon to open more options. This is where the export tool lives. Click Export Passwords. A small confirmation box will appear asking you to confirm the export, because these passwords are sensitive. Click Export Passwords again to confirm. This is a safety step to make sure you intended to export. Next, enter your computer password or PIN. This is your device login, not a website password. It's required to verify that you're the one requesting the export. Type it in and continue. Now you'll see your system's Save dialog. Choose the location where you want to save the exported file. You can pick a specific folder so you can find it easily later. Finally, click Save. Brave will create the file at the location you selected. Depending on how many passwords you have, this should complete almost instantly. At this point, your export is done. Your saved passwords from Brave browser are now exported to the folder you chose and ready for backup or transfer. Remember, the exported file contains sensitive information, so store it securely and delete it when you no longer need it. That's it. The export is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.